Imagine you buy mangoes at the market. The seller says, "I gave you triple what your friend got, plus 2 extra." How many did your friend get? Let's find out. A word problem is a real-life situation described in words. Our job is to translate the words into a mathematical equation, then solve it. Words become numbers and letters. Here are the key translations. A certain number means x. More than means plus. Less than means minus. Times or product means multiply. Is means equals. Think of it like translating English to French, but instead, you translate English to mathematics. Every word has a matching math symbol. Practice this and equations become easy. Example 1. Kofi has some oranges. We don't know how many, so we call it x. Amma has 5 more than Kofi, so Amma has x plus 5. Together they have 21. We write x plus 5 equals 21. That gives 2x plus 5 equals 21. Subtract 5 to 2x equals 16. Divide by 2, x equals 8. Kofi has 8 oranges. Example 2, a bit harder. A father is 4 times his son's age. In 6 years he'll be only 3 times as old. Let the son's age be x, so the father's age is 4x. In 6 years, father is 4x plus 6, son is x plus 6. Father equals 3 times son. 4x plus 6 equals 3 times x plus 6. Solve to get x equals 12. Son is 12, father is 48. Common mistake. Students write 3 times as old as x plus 3 instead of 3x. Times means multiply, not add. Also, remember to add 6 to both ages, not just 1. Remember READ. Read the problem carefully. Write the equation. Use algebra to solve. Declare your answer in words. Read every word problem and you'll never go wrong. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons like this. Visit ovasaabi.com for notes, past questions, and exam tips. See you in the next video.